Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, moving on to news. Bitcoin holds above 94,000 amid ETF inflows and institutional buying. Of course, this is not really an article; it's more so of a post. So Bitcoin maintained its position over 94,000 over the weekend, signaling continued bullish momentum. This strength is attributed to significant inflows into the U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs, which recorded over 3 billion with a B dollars this week at a 5-month high. Additionally, Bitcoin's market cap has surpassed that of Google, making it the fifth most valuable asset globally. This is big, guys. If you guys have not gotten any Bitcoin yet, I'm telling you, please get some. Get some. I mean, I'm not trying to be your financial advisor. I'm just saying, why not get any? Why not get any? All right. On to the stock market. We have tech stocks propel Wall Street to 4-day winning streak. U.S. stock markets closed higher on Friday, marking the fourth consecutive day of gains. The rally was led by major tech companies, including Tesla and Nvidia, as investors set aside concerns over inflation and interest rates. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq posted significant weekly gains, reflecting renewed investor confidence in the tech sector. Man, that was a lot. I have some things to show you guys once we get on the charts. Everything will make sense. Now, this next one is about gold again. It's about gold again. Now, gold prices surge amid market uncertainty. Gold prices continue their upward trajectory with the world's largest gold mining company experiencing a 40% increase in 2025 alone. This surge is driven by investors seeking safe haven assets once again amid the ongoing economic uncertainties and market volatility. All right. So since now that the news is out of the way, let's get on to the charts. Blah blah blah. Get on to the charts. So, first thing first, the bull run is here. You got a trend line breaking on the 3-day. Let me bring up ES, which is S&P 500, which is SPY, which is all of that. I'm only bringing up the ES just because I believe it's up and running right now. I think futures open on Sundays. Yeah, it's up and running now. So price retraced to the Fibonacci golden area from that of October 2020. The new move is expected to soar, and I am predicting that SPY, which is again S&P 500, which is this. Right now it's at $550, and I have it going to $700 for a 27% gain. Bitcoin right now it's at 95, and I have that going to 130 for a 50% gain. And the Dow Jones is at 40K, and I have that going to 50K for a 25% gain. So let me bring these up for you, so you guys can see exactly what I am saying. What was it? I don't think I did it on ES though. But of course, it should all work out. It should all work out. Let's see if I can replicate it. Let's see if I can replicate it. So, I had a move right there. And boom. Yeah, so it bounced off in this area, which is good. Which is good. I think I did this one. I think I did this one. Yeah, that's more like it. Because that's the start of the move. Yeah, that's more like it right there. Yeah, so you see 618 is the golden area. Now let's the extension. So it's boom, boom, and then a bottom. So to draw the extension, let's see, you pick it up at the start, at the highest, and at the pullback. And what that does is give you TPs, possible TPs, possible TPs. So for this, the S&P 500, what did I say? 700. So it should be like 7,000. Yep, around 7,000. This is how I got this prediction. Around 7,000 right here. This price will come up, boom, up like that. So this is a 3-day, and we have a strong engulfing candle right there. Have a strong engulfing candle right here, which is good. It broke through this flag, I think on like the 6 hour or the 2 hour. Yeah, you could say the 6 hour. It broke through on the 6 hour. All right. Moving on to BTC. And I basically did the exact same. So I believe, well, I'm just about to do it again for you guys. Get the fib, bring it down here at the beginning of the move, and to the top of the move right there. Now, the extension, do the same thing, but now you grab the pullback. So boom, boom, boom. So this should be around 130. Yep. This is how I'm doing it. This is how I'm getting my prediction. So also, once price does break this trend line has been in, I guess I can say this right here, since April of 2023. This trend line has been valid since April of 2023. So once it does close above it, I'm pretty sure, a 150 is not too far from it. I'm pretty sure 150 is not too far from it. All right, in the Dow Jones, I believe I left this one up already. Yeah, so I left this one up. So that's how I got the 50. This is how I got the 50. Bounce in the 618 area. I don't know if you guys can see, but I made this one a little white. This is the golden area. This is the golden area. All right. Now let's move on to some trades. Let's see. let's of course look at Bitcoin. I'm also getting into some penny stock option plays. Excuse me. Some penny stock option plays for tomorrow. Um, I'm going to have to pull that up and make sure it's on my phone so I can get it to you guys quicker. And of course, I gotta write this down. BCUN. Bear with me. ABEV BLDE X5 QNICX. All right. Ooh, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. All right. Got my 5 trades I'm going to just show you guys today. And then, of course, Bitcoin. So, I guess I can delete all of this now since I made the video for you guys. Delete. All right, so as you can see, Bitcoin has crossed this major trend line. That's why the last couple of days we were seeing an uptick. Now we're almost, excuse me. Now we're almost done with this fair value gap. Once we move past that, price will be shooting up. Price will be shooting up. I want to show you guys a website as well that has helped me with Bitcoin and trading and things like that. Let's see. Bring that on a 3-day. $33. Nah. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna show it to you guys. So, this is the heat map of liquidations. So I was told that price likes to liquidate positions or something along those lines. Basically saying that this is 32.2 and this is 32.7, meaning that it's more volume right here, and price likes to take out the most volume. Something along those lines. You guys can play around with this site. Of course, this is Coin Glass for Bitcoin. You of course can move that around. You can do Ethereum on here as well. Don't know what these other ones are for. Let's see if this looks better. Yeah. But again, I use it, and sometimes I don't use it. Crypto are us. George, he used it. Well, he used to use it a lot last year, but I haven't seen him use it since, really. But yeah, that's who showed me about it. All right, let's get back to the topic at hand. So a trade for Bitcoin, it's nothing on the 12-hour. What about the 6-hour? I believe this is a 2-hour. I went down. Guys, I'm still struggling with that. I'm still struggling with it. I'm still struggling with it. Excuse me. So we will see What's the MACD looking like? We got an hour and a half. So with this, I'm seeing a flagpole and then a flag. However, this is on a smaller time frame, so patterns don't always uh, work, or should I say, price doesn't always respect the trend lines on the smaller time frames. On the smaller time frames. All right, let's see another one. What is Sui doing? Sui looking good. Sui is looking good. Looking like it's rejecting off this fair value gap. Yeah. However, however, should look at that. So, this is on a 6 hour, so on 2 hour. Yeah. Now you can see it on the 2 hour. Now you can see it. You can see it better. You can see it better. So what I am predicting that price is going to hit this 30-day EMA and break out. Breakout. All right. Moving on to the option plays that I have pending. Let me see. Bison right here. Yeah. So this is retail internet. I honestly don't know what this is. But however, however, it is going to look like it's going to be a good trade. Look like it's going to be a good trade. I'm glad I'm talking about this with you guys because I already put the order in, and now that I'm looking at it again, I want to make sure price goes, across the right lines. I want to make sure that it crossed the right lines. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna reevaluate that one. ABAV, again, whatever this is. So, as you can see, price cross over, I believe this is the 2-day trend line, or close, very, very close. So, I am looking for price to at least go up to, $3. $3. Especially somewhere around here, because price likes to hang out right here. Price likes to hang out right here. Now, this would be love right here. This would definitely be love. Definitely be love right there. All right. Blade. So as you guys can see, price has bounced off of this trend line on the 3-day. What angle is this? That's So 69 degree. That's a little steep. What is that? 140. I don't know how that stuff works because this is 180. So that's like a 20. Yeah, 17 degree. Right? Hell, I don't know. I don't know, man. All right, I'm getting sidetracked. So, um, yeah, I'm getting out of blade too. I mean, but I see it, but it's like I know price is going at least here. I know it's going to three. Maybe that's what's going to push it through. Yeah, I think that's what's going to push it through. All right, X5, X5, X5. Um, yeah, bounced off there. The MACD looking good. You clearly see that flag. You got the flagpole right there. Boom. How does the 2 day look? 2 day looking real good. Look at the MACD. Yeah, man, I know you guys can see this flag right here. So yeah, definitely a good entry. Not the best entry. The best entry will be a bounce or a breakout. That'll be the best entry. All right, and last but not least, uh, what do you see there? What do you see there? And this is on a 2 day. Has it? The MACD hasn't turned yet. MACD hasn't turned yet, so that's real good news. That's real good news. I guess that's what you call a pennant. I still get them confused. Yep. So it's gonna break through, and then it might stop right here, and then push all the way through. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I am looking at. All right. That'll be all for this video. I believe I got to everything so far. It's going to be a good week. It's going to be a good week for crypto and excuse me, and the stock market. I believe everything will be great. Everything will be great. All right. Till then, I'm X. You've been watching We Here Now. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.